learn how to perform calculations. Excel has a powerful feature to perform calculations on the data. We can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of numbers either using formulas or using functions. The result of the calculation is displayed in the cell where the formula is entered. Example: to calculate the total expense in H3, type B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus F3 plus G3 and press the Enter key. The sum of the values in the cells B3 to G3 is calculated and displayed in the cell H3. We can use either upper or lower case letters while entering the cell address in a formula. Excel also provides a quicker and easier way of performing calculations. Click on the Auto Sum button present either on the Formulas tab or the Home tab. Excel suggests a range, which we can either accept or select a different range. To make use of Auto Sum option, move the cell pointer to cell H4. Click on the Auto Sum button. Excel suggests the range B4 is to G4. Accept the range by pressing Enter key. The sum of the values in cells B4 to G4 is calculated and displayed in cell H4. Note that Excel also provides special built-in mathematical functions such as sum, average, count, etc. Instead of typing such a long formula, B3 plus C3 plus D3 plus E3 plus F3 plus G3, the sum function can also be used to calculate the total expense. For example, sum B3 is to G3 and press the Enter key. Similarly, we can use average, count, maximum, minimum functions. Let us learn how to work with worksheet. Let us learn about switching between worksheets. When we add a number of worksheets, only a few worksheets can be seen on the screen. To switch between worksheets, use Ctrl plus page up and Ctrl plus page down key combination. Let us learn how to rename a worksheet. To rename a worksheet, double-click the Sheet tab you want to rename. It will be highlighted. Now type a new name and press the Enter key. Or right-click on the Sheet tab which is to be renamed and click on the Rename option. Let us learn how to add a new worksheet. To add a new worksheet, select the sheet before which you want to place a new worksheet. Right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Insert option. The Insert dialog box appears with the Worksheet option selected. Click OK. You will notice a new worksheet gets inserted before the selected worksheet, or click on the new sheet icon present next to the Sheet tab. A new worksheet will be added, or select the Insert, then go to Insert Sheet option in the Cells group on the Home tab. Let us find out how to remove a worksheet. Place the mouse pointer on the Worksheet tab that you want to delete. Right-click on the Sheet tab and select the Delete option, or select the Delete, then go to Delete Sheet option in the Cells group on the Home tab. Let us learn how to save a workbook now. To save a workbook, follow the given steps. Click on the File tab and select the Save option. The Save As pane will appear. Click on the Browse option. The Save As dialog box appears. Browse the drive and the folder where you want to save the workbook. Type the file name in the File Name text box. Click on the Save button. The file will be saved with an extension .xlsx. Let me share some interesting shortcut keys with you. You can save your file by using the Ctrl plus S key combination. You can also select Save button on the Quick Access toolbar. F12 key can also be used to save the file. Also note the fact that in Excel 2013, adding, removing, renaming, switching and saving of worksheet requires the same steps as used in Excel 2016.